Hello my dear student, welcome back to my channel Learn with Deepika. In my previous video, I have explained you how to derive trigonometric ratios of different angles by using basic concept of geometry. But that was only to build your concept and to give you better insight how we come up with all those values. So my dear student, you don't need to worry because they are not going to come in your board exam. You have to learn all the values directly. For that, I am going to explain you how can you remember all those values. For that, I have 3 simple magical steps. Yes, only 3 steps. So without wasting any time, let's start. These are the trigonometric ratios and these are the angles for which we are going to write the values. And our 3 simple steps is step number 1, write counting from 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step number 2 is divide all the numbers with 4. And our last step is take square root of all the numbers. That's it. And students, when you simplify it, you will get the values of sine theta. Like when you simplify root 0 upon 4, you will get 0. So that's the value of sine theta for 0 degree. And square root of 1 by 4 is it's 1 and square root of 4 is 2. So that's the value of 30 degree. When you simplify this, you will get 1 upon 2 and square root of 1 is 1. Square root of root 2 is root 2. So this will be the value of sine 45 degree. Square root of 3 is root 3. Square root of 4 is 2. This is value of 60 degree. And square root of 1 is 1. So sine 90 is equals to 1. Now, when you write all those values in reverse order, like I'll start from there, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2 and 0. You can see this is very simple, but you have to write all those trigonometric ratio in this order only. Like you will start from sine theta, then cos theta, then tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and last cot theta. We know tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta. So 0 upon 1 is 0. 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 upon 2. This will be 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 upon root 2 is 1. Root 3 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2. When you cancel out these 2, you will get root 3 only. And 1 upon 0 is not defined. When you have 0 in denominator, you will get not defined. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta. So let's do reciprocal of sine theta. 0 upon 1, reciprocal of this is 1 upon 0, so which is not defined. 2 upon 1, root 2 upon 1. I'm writing the reciprocals of sine theta. 2 upon root 3, 1 upon 1, right? Now, in case of secant theta, you have to write these values in reverse order. So you will start from 1. And then 2 upon root 3, root 2, 2 and not defined. For cot theta, we know cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So let's do reciprocal of 0 upon 1 is 1 upon 0, which is not defined. Reciprocal of 1 upon root 3 is root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 upon root 3 and reciprocal of not defined is 1 upon not defined, which is equals to 0. So there is thing which you need to remember. Any number having denominator as 0 is not defined. Also, any number having not defined in denominator is 0. So this way you can learn values of trigonometric ratios, but you need to practice it at least 2 to 3 times. And don't forget to share it with your friends. So bye and take care.